undergoing, just beginning to get going. That's what he wanted to say. And Jeng Wali always mesmerizes us with her power, as that regalo was pounced upon.
Well, Jeng Boli, partner, 11 points already. So, Roses also with 6 points. Dito naman sa kabila, Ortiz with 5 and Tunay with 4. So, kahit pagsamahin mo yung top 2 ng UST, not enough pa. Mas marami pang na-produce si Jeng.
And nicely dropped, and Wali with a spin, and tingnan ko nagko-cover kay Jeng Wali na uutok itong babae ito.
Alam mo ang maganda kay Jeng? Hindi mo nakikitang naiinis, nagagalit. Such a sport.
Gugulong.
Oh,
ang naiinis ko.
Naalala mo yung bumangga pa dun sa board, hilo-hilo na, but still, hindi man nagpasab eh.
That's right. Di makulangan, that's out. Ang ayaw lang ni Jeng Wali, pag humihingi siya ng check ball at hindi binibigay, konting simangot ng konti. Pag pinaluan niya ng malakas, tapos hindi bibigay ng referee yung check ball na outside, doon siya medyo sisimangot ng konti.
Yung sabi, ay, daya.
Nicely though. Jeng Wali, of course, our Thai guest player who has been here for the longest time. Siguro the import with the most number of return ball slips.
I would think so too. Oh, wala nang iba. Siyang-siya na. Tunay now on the service line.
If only San Sebastian can use her for the... if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaggy's. Wali knocks it right in the middle.
Matagal na sana. Jeng Boli, open hit. Ang ganda nito. Parang napakadaling tignan, no? Easily just letting it pass between the blockers of UST.
Saka kukunan mo ng picture sa area yan kung saan mo pwede ihulog yan. In the meantime, Malyari's serve is into the net. Crisostomo darts in as the libero. That's May Crisostomo. Aha! Anong mali doon?
Oh, medyo mataas yung pagkakaset na yun ni Trisha Crisostomo. They wanted to do a running hit, pero loop. May pagka-looper yung pagbigay ni Crisostomo. Alam mo naman to si Jeng, gusto nito tusok para mabilis.
Ano sasabi mo? Nalunod ba?
Mas lalo yun.
Ito lubog talaga.
Not yun. Too much.
San Sebastian falling behind by 2 here.
Diba, 3 strikes naman, diba, para ma-out. Pwede pang isa. But, you know, it's also nice to see na, like si Trisha Crisostomo, even if nagkamali siya doon sa unang set kay Jeng, inulit niya pa uli. So, malakas ang loob niya. Pero ngayon, another error. This time kay Sue Roses na naman. So, yung connection, yung timing.
Trisha's confidence is shot right now because she's made 3 disconnections, actually. They finally make one in. No busy tone on that one. It's down, however, and San Sebastian has lost the last 4 points.
Well, marami doon errors ng San Sebastian. Kaya ang UST naman really taking advantage of the situation. Ortiz still on the line.
Wali. Roses whips it down. To the other end. Long.
No, siya naman ngayon, no wrist action on that last play. O kulang ng wrist action.
Pamela still smarting over that miscue. Actually, is our official outfit here in the Shaggy's B-League. Near Giles, touch of the net. Goes to San Sebastian.
This time, ito namang UST ang nagko-commit ng mga errors. So, San Sebastian pouncing on UST.
Wali serve.
Oh, and total miscue there. Ayan na naman, doon sa depensa, partner.
Gee.
The reception.
Mamon is trying to be as patient as possible with his unit on the floor, but they've been hit by miscues. They've lost the last 3 points on errors. That's not an error. That could be a check ball. Yes, it is. Technical timeout limit. 8-6 is the count. USD in front. Lost the first set, though.